Hello and welcome to my channel. In this video, I'll show you how to connect a real-time clock module to an Arduino and go through the basic setup step by step. I'm using an Arduino Nano here, but the wiring and the code are the same on an Arduino Uno. An Arduino doesn't know what time it is by itself. If you reset it or unplug it, all the timing information will be lost. A real-time clock, or RTC, keeps track of the current date and time on its own, even when the Arduino is off. This is a DS3231 real-time clock module. It's accurate, temperature compensated, and very commonly used in embedded projects. The small battery backup allows the clock to keep running during power loss. Without the battery, the module still works, but it won't remember time. The DS3231 uses I2C communication, so the wiring is very simple. We only need 4 pins on this module. The VCC goes to 5 volts, the GND goes to ground, SDA goes to A4, SCL goes to A5. On both the Arduino Nano and the Uno, SDA is A4 and SCL is A5, so the other pins on the module are not used here. So let's connect it up. So now we have it connected up, and let's plug in the USB and move over to the computer. With the hardware connected, let's look at the software side. Before uploading any code, we need to make sure the correct library is installed. We open the library manager here on the left side, and we search for RTC lib by Adafruit. I already have this one installed, but if you don't have it installed, click Install button. With the library installed, we can upload the RTC example code. I'm going to paste it here, and I'll include it in the description below. This code initializes the RTC and allows us to read and set the current date and time. Let's upload the code. Now that the upload is done, we can open the serial monitor. Make sure you have the baud rate set to 9600. As you can see, the time and date is very wrong. And we only need to set the time once now with a special command. I will paste the command and I will put it here and press enter. We get a response from the Arduino that it is set to the time I choose, and it responds with the correct time. The script in the Arduino updates this every second. Now if I try to unplug the Arduino for a moment and then plug it back in, you can see that the time is still correct. And that's because the RTC never stopped running. It keeps track of time independently using the battery backup. You now have a working real-time clock setup that keeps time even during power loss. In future videos, we could use this for scheduling, logging, or other time-based projects. If you like this content, Please like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.